Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find popular stories on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom of the screen, as you can see, we have the spotlights where you can check out some videos. We have stories where you can check out the stories of your friends. We have the camera on Snapchat. And in the bottom left, we have your location and, of course, your chats. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and find popular stories on Snapchat. So to find popular stories on Snapchat, you can follow these 5 steps. First of all, as I already told you, open Snapchat and also launch the Snapchat app on your device. Then go to the Discover page. Tap the Stories tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the Discover page. Then explore Stories. Here you'll find a variety of stories from friends, celebrities, and popular accounts. You can scroll through to see what's trending. Then you can use the search bar at the top of the Discover page. There's a search bar, as you can see, where your icon is in the top left corner. You can type keywords or topics you're interested in to find related stories. And Spotlight, check out the Spotlight section for popular and trending content, which I already told you, it is in the bottom right corner. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.